Welcome back. In this lesson, let's go ahead and learn about how you can get started with AWS. AWS gives you 1 year free trial. Well, that doesn't mean that you can create large virtual machines and pump in like terabytes of data and it's still going to be free for you. No, it doesn't work like that. So it's important to understand what is free for us, how much is free, and what you will be charged for. You can get those numbers in this page if you just Google for it's a AWS free tier. So you'll land up here, which is aws.amazon.com/free, and you'll get to know all the numbers that are free for you and when you'll be charged. As an example here, if you go ahead and create an EC2 instance, which is a virtual machine, you will be allowed to run that for 750 hours in a month. The size of the virtual machine should not go beyond T2 micro or T3 micro, all right? That means you cannot create a virtual machine more than one CPU and 1 gigs of memory. That's what these instance type means. Similarly, for S3 storage, you cannot go more than 5 gigs of storage. For RDS, it's 750 hours. So as you scroll down, you will see the upper limits of every service for that trial duration. Okay, you can also go ahead and search them. As you see on the left side, you got a lot of search filters, so you can go and search them. Let's say if you want to operate on a NoSQL database, so I'm going to check that, and then you'll be able to find out what is free for you as far as SQL RDS is concerned and NoSQL DynamoDB is concerned. Similarly, you can find the stats for other tools as you check and uncheck these boxes. So one thing to keep in mind that you get a free trial version for 12 months. There are certain services that are always free and some of them that are provisioned to you on trial basis. Okay. So it's worth going to aws.amazon.com, go ahead and search and filter these options to get familiarity with these numbers. One thing to keep in mind is that if you cross 750 hours or if you provision any resource beyond T2 micro, let's say M3 large, then you will be charged for that resource. Okay, organizations usually set up billing alarms so that they do not go beyond a certain budgeted number. In our case, it's important to set up a free tier usage billing alarm. So just in case you start to get charged on your resource, you get notified about it. We'll take a look at how you can set up a billing alarm in the upcoming lessons. But here in this lesson, I just want to take a look at the kind of resources that you can provision with the free tier and that you can set up a billing alarm just in case you go beyond the budgeted number.